Wasn't much of a break. That was amazing. Oh, thank you.
I need a video.
You need a video? Okay. Keep dancing and I'll show you the video.
Careful.
Yeah.
Don't run into anything. Careful.
You maybe want to stop. Big finish.
Time to watch video.
Good job.
Well done.
I'm not done yet.
Okay.
I'm trying to cycle pie, and set pop, and set then come without you, and you come, and you come, and you come, and then you come, and that's so pie, and you pop out, and you pop a pole, and you pop a pole, and you pop a pole.
Be careful, don't
And
run
it's
into
so
anything.
Papa, be right. Then it's apple picky. Now you do it. Now you do it. Now by the boo. Now you do it. Now you do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Come on, boo, ooh.
Well
Do
done.
it.
Well done.
I want you to do it both.
Are we talking about a dance-off?
Yeah.
Be careful, don't run into anything.
That was great. Oh my gosh.
Do it both.
Both of us.
Do it.
Oh,
You can
okay.
hold the camera while we do it now?
Hold it up so you can see us.
Can you see mommy?
Yes.
You gonna come, Daddy? Come get Daddy. Alright. Can we both do the dance together?
Yeah.
Alright, do you remember how it goes?
Because
The camera work too.
you got it.
Thanks.
Then you put your hands out.
Like this?
Yeah. Do it, Mommy. With me.
Okay.
Right next to me.
Oh, right next to you on this side. I don't break dance.
Flip over.
Oh, don't do a somersault on this hardwood floor.
Then you Then you stop. Then you squeeze. Then you hop, hop, hop. Then do it. Then you march. Then you wiggle.
turn right closer to it all.
It's almost over now. It's my turn.
Okay.
I'll hold the camera. It's my turn.